Hi there, this is Roy from the ilFornino showroom. Today we'll be doing our series of tips and tricks to enhance your pizza oven experience. Today's tip is how to prolong the lifespan for your wood-fired pizza cover. At ilFornino, our covers fit like a glove. They are custom made for our ovens. Now, if you live in a harsh environment where the sun is beating down on your cover on a daily basis, you may consider giving your cover an extra hand or maybe an extra tool to protect it just a slight bit further. It's advisable to protect your cover either way by following these 3 easy steps. Step 1, place your cover onto your ilFornino oven. Step 2, spray Scotchgard Fabric Protector onto your cover. Please read the manufacturer instructions on the product. Step 3, let the cover air dry for 15 or 20 minutes and you're good to go. Now you're giving your cover that extra fighting chance to withstand the heat and the cold alike. Scotchgard Fabric Protector is a trademark of 3M and is not affiliated with ilFornino. I hope you found today's tips useful. Now, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and more tricks for your wood-fired pizza oven experience.